The Mad Scientist Hut Cuptisserie Shop now has laser cut acrylic cuptisserie kits in stock, and this is a base unit. It'll do 4 cups. You can get a shaft adapter for this, the square shaft adapter, and it'll do 5 cups. Normally there's spacers and screws in here, but right now I just have it apart so that makes this video quicker. And this is a shaft add-on kit, and you would just take the screws and spacers out and put your newly assembled shaft adapter kit on, and now you can add on to the kit. And you can add on up to 4 shafts on these kits. And this is just adding on 3 shafts, just to show you what it looks like. And if you click the link below, it'll take you right to the site, and you can look at the different kits available. And thanks for watching.